Hear that? It's cicadas equivalent to Riz. Billions of cicadas have emerged from underground in parts of the US, and this sound is actually the male cicadas singing to attract a female. Synchronized cicada calls can reach 100 decibels. That is about as loud as an approaching subway train. Periodical cicadas stay underground for up to 17 years. Until their big moment, they spend their time underground eating and growing, and then they show up in what's called broods. And this year in the US, there's higher numbers than usual because 2 broods have moved in at the same time, meaning even more noise.